Take a look at the industry leader, the BigEasy. It's the #1 selling emergency access tool in the market, bar none. For those people who want to make it portable, to put it in their car, behind the seat, or underneath the seat, now you have two pieces to make it simple, portable, and easy to carry. What we did is we made this joint nearly invisible and certainly undetectable. Take a look. You can see barely. Unlike competitive designs, which use a lug or a raised portion of the rod, which only damages that expensive weather stripping or could chip the glass window or the vehicle itself. What we did is we made the female portion with a really fine, thin surface. When they come together, it actually deforms this to conform to the other male piece, giving you an absolutely seamless joint. The other thing we did is we made the threads not according to necessarily ASME standards. What we did is we made them a little bit different, proprietary, so it does screw together easy, but we didn't lose any structural integrity or rigidity through the thread itself. The BigEasy 2-piece emergency access tool, now 2-piece for portability and certainly with no loss of structural integrity or torque. Check it out at STCmanufacturing.com.